My name is Mike Hansen with Guadalupe Valley Services. We are going to be demoing this house, and if you live in Austin, Houston, or San Antonio, we're right in between in Gonzales, Texas. We're at 610 North College Street in Gonzales, Texas. If you're looking for some 1880s type wood, this house is full of it, and we're going to be parting it out and selling it. So if you want to call 512-292-0070, we'll be glad to negotiate a price for any amount of wood. If you want to buy one board or 200 boards, we'll be glad to deal with you. Go ahead and go inside and show them. We have a lot of stuff in here is like the old-timey wood floors, 1x12, 2x12s, the old 2x4s, and there's a lot of windows and doors. Come on in. There's the house is full of these old-timey wood floors. They're still in good shape. There's a bunch of 1x12s, 2x12s, and there's a bunch of big beams underneath the house. There's also 2x12s, 1x6s, and the full cut 2x4s. There is probably enough here to build about 3 houses, so come on down if you would like. Here's some 1x12s here. You go price these things in antique store, and it's very expensive, and we'll be glad to make you a good deal if you come down here to Gonzales, Texas. And we also have beaded ceiling.